5 to 6. I say message. Okay. Let's start.
Till what time will it start?
I tell you 5 to 6. 5 to 6. Okay. Now I do this. This is okay. How to draw the tomato. So first you make it circle. Okay. First make a circle. Okay. Like this. Okay. First make a circle. आराम से. Okay, Dishani, Nandini. Try to make your circle your best. Okay. आराम से. Take time, Dishani. No problem. आराम से take time. Okay. Now, first make circle, and in this circle, okay, in middle you draw one more circles. If you're not circle, it's just oval kind. Okay.
This is a seed.
Yeah, and then you are creating once more oval line like this. Like around. Take time. This is just a little bit of increase the line over here. Take your time. Okay, around se. And you can draw like 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, like this. And you can erase this line. Okay. Around.
Sir, what is the next step?
Take time, beta. Aram se. First, try to finish everyone very nicely. Ishan, done, beta.
Sir, can I show you my last drawing?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Now we are going to here. Just erasing this line. Okay. Like this. Erasing this line. Okay. Fine. Aram se. Show your drawing properly. Fine. That much before the start color, while my drawing is done. Before the start color, I want to see all of your drawing. Please show. And all of you, please on your camera. This is feedback should be on your camera. You can see this every movement, how to draw. Yeah, Mr. Soma, Vishnu. And this is Nandini Beta. Can you show your on your camera? Yeah, sure. Very nice. Good. Arshi, show your camera, beta. On your camera. Agni Prabhu. Yeah, nice. We'll start the color. All of you show. Very nice. Yes, Amaya, very good. Yeah. Dishani, fantastic. Very nice. Yeah, Trinanda, very good. Nice, all of you. Srinchana, done beta. Deepta beta, done. Very nice.
So
Yeah.
can you start
Yeah.
coloring?
Tanush, good. Tanush your name, beta?
No, sir. Dance. It's my brother's name.
Okay. Your name is Vedant, right?
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
when we will start
Then
Sir, I think, sir, he named us Eddie.
Okay. Nandini, show beta yours.
Sir, I
On your
have
camera.
outlined also.
Okay. Very good, Pran. Very nice. Let's start the drawing. So first we are giving color, that's orange. Again, not directly the red I'm used. I put some orange. Before orange, I put the color this yellow. Yellow what? Only this space I put some yellow color. Okay. This space little yellow color. Sir. And I make my pencil pen little light, okay, otherwise my drawing can damage with pencil graphite. So make sure you just little erase your drawing. So now this area I put some little orange, okay. Nandini, understood beta? Little lemon yellow. Aram se. Little lemon, little yellow. Then I put orange. Okay, yellow and then orange. Okay. So just put orange like this. First make it border. Aram se border pichu. A border, okay, like this, and after that just do this, okay. Slowly just improving. Make sure your drawing the color is not going outside. Okay. Color is not going outside. Like this. So I just make it first tone, complete the first tone. Okay, it's not final color. See, the shadow is there, no? See, the little shadow is there. So we put shadow here. See, I do the shadow over here. Like this area. Okay, so what is the color of shadow? First I put some gray color. Okay. First put some gray color. Shadow also two type of shadow. This is the object shadow. This is object shadow. And I put little black. It's called the little black color. It's called the.
Sir, should we put red color on the tomato bit? Because I have done it.
Okay.
Sir, it is called object shadow.
Object shadow, yeah. Aram se. Take your time and do slowly.